Grand Design Imagine XLS 2911 MPR. We haven't seen this one yet. 3,000 pounds of storage, it looks like, give or take. And that's because it's a toy hauler. It's got, look at the motorcycle party going on out here. It's crazy. Craziness over there. You can see the toy hauler here. It's got entry on both sides of the coach, which is interesting. So you have your own separate living space here where you can come in and out. Oh, and it's the sliding door. So maybe, I guess you can turn it into a bit of a party deck. That's declined a little bit, so you gotta be careful with that. That looks like a fold-out bunk and a good sized bed here. I'd sleep on that for sure. This is awesome for a little tiny 30-foot travel trailer. Wow, it's freezing in here.
It's a Murphy bed.
Oh, that's what the M stands for. So I guess that dinette's for in the when the bed's not folded out.
I think there's.
Are they coming? Nice shower, nice space. We may get some visitors here in a minute, but it's a Murphy bed. It's nice. I won't take the bed down just yet. But if you had a toy, if the two of us wanted to keep a four-wheeler or something in here,
yeah,
I would do it. There's enough space. All right, on to the next one.